Vision, a transformative learning institution producing globally competitive graduates. Mission, to deliver quality education and dynamic instruction, relevant researches, and sustainable extension programs gearing towards socio-economic development. Core values of MONCAS. M stands for moral uprightness. O stands for optimism. N stands for nationalism. C stands for compassion. A stands for adaptability. S stands for service. T stands for teamwork. Goals. Una, produce competent graduates. Pangalawa, foster strong and linkages networks. Pangatlo, synergize human capital. That's all. Thank you.